In the tranquil evening, a child stands in their backyard, a kite clutched tightly in small hands. This is no ordinary kite. It yawns wide, its ribbons dancing playfully in the gentle breeze, hinting at untold adventures. The kite whispers, "Hold on, little one. Tonight, I'll take you somewhere special," promising a journey beyond the horizon. As the child looks up, eyes wide with innocent anticipation, under the vast, cool night sky, a kite gently lifts a child, carrying them away from the shrinking world below. They float among the stars, where clouds morph into fantastical creatures, each whispering secrets to the night. The kite hums a drowsy tune, weaving a spell of magic and wonder as they journey deeper into the starlit expanse. The kite descends, a silent guardian returning the child to the comforting embrace of their bed. By the window, it folds itself with care, its ribbons fluttering like sleepy whispers in the dim light. "Rest now," the kite whispers softly. "We'll fly again tomorrow." The child sleeps, a peaceful smile gracing their lips, dreaming of cloud animals and starlit skies.